What your friends over in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove stop launching experience problem or how you can fix a Roblox launching experience problem on your Android mobile. So before you starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new on this channel. So to fix this launching experience problem on your Samsung, Realme or any other Android phone, just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.